The Realme 12 family is sprawling, so to say, and now includes 5 phones: Realme 12, Realme 12 Pro, Realme 12 Pro Plus, Realme 12X. The fifth and final member of the family we have in for review today is the Realme 12 Plus. As its name suggests, the Realme 12 Plus stands a notch above the vanilla Realme 12 in terms of specs and features. The Realme 12 Plus is a fairly cheap device. It is available in multiple markets, including India, where it starts at 20,999 Indian rupees, $255/ €230. That's a pretty budget price point, and there is plenty of value up on offer here. The Realme 12 Plus is a pretty complete package. It looks quite premium on the outside and is well built with IP54 ingress protection. Other standout features include a stereo speaker setup and a 3.5mm audio jack. You also get NFC in certain markets. Charging is quite fast, rated at 67W. Pros: very generous accessory package. Premium design that punches above its weight and good build quality. Pretty good battery life. Rapid charging speed. Very good stereo speaker setup. Very little thermal throttling. Micro SD slot and 3.5mm audio jack. Cons: poor high refresh rate handling and practically on high refresh rate gaming. Image quality out of the selfie camera is not very good. The Realme 12 Plus is an interesting device. It definitely has an exquisite design with standout aesthetics. There is plenty more to like here, such as solid rear cameras, a very competent stereo speaker setup, pretty good battery life, and competitive charging speed. The Dimensity 7050 inside the Realme 12 Plus may not be the fastest chip around, but it's hard to find something more powerful for that kind of cash. It has enough power to run the UI and most daily tasks and apps smoothly, but you can't expect much more. The Realme 12 Plus also handles its high refresh rate very poorly, with practically no dynamic switching and very limited high refresh rate gaming abilities. Even so, the Realme 12 Plus seems like a good value device at its current price point, and it's got our outright recommendation. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.